So what are you making?
Oh, righto! Got you something. I'm making brekkie this morning. So I'm making, thanks to Dan Berry. Dan Berry commented and said, bacon and egg enchiladas. So I'm stepping it up and doing a gourmet style. So we have, have a look at this.
Mouth's watering already.
I know, right? I'm pretty hungry. So we got bacon, eggs. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 eggs. We're going to scramble the eggs. I've got some diced cherry tomatoes. We've got some spring onion I've diced. And I'm going to make a cheesy sauce. And we've got all the enchilada stuff. And I've got the salsa. Some more cheese, heaps of cheese. So we're going to really spice this thing up. And then I'm going to wrap them all up in the in me garlic wraps, wrap them all up in here individually, and then put all the sauces and all the cheese over it, and throw it on the barbie. So, we're in the butler's pantry at the moment, and we're going to go outside to the outdoor entertaining cooking area. So that's where we're going to do it. So this should be pretty cool. Start cooking. Here goes the bacon. Start making the sauce. Alright, that's almost ready for start making the cheese sauce. Bacon's cooking. Time for some scrambled eggs.
How's it all going?
Oh, it's bloody good. We're just making the cheese sauce. Have a look at that. Nice and thick. Oh, that's bloody beautiful. So I made that with just milk and flour. Sort of mixed that together and then melted some butter. And then when the butter's, all melted, just about to boil, slowly put it in and just slowly stir it in. And it just gets thicker and thicker, and it's like that. And I put some cream in it because I want it to be a bit creamy. And it was about a quarter left, I think there was, of that. And a nice big dollop of that. Whoa. And it's looking good. Done the scrambled eggs, done the bacon. So now it's time to jump inside and put all this concoction together and then put it out here, and we'll bake it in here for 20 minutes to get all the cheese all melted and crispy on top. Let's start layering this thing in. Keep cooking. Right, it's time to start making them. So we've got our sauce here, just dip them in. Just coat that. Oh, don't break them. Lay them in here. Get your mix. Mix it up. Do the tomato. So the first 2 are the tomato ones, because I don't think the kids want tomato. Heap of cheese. And then the sauce. And then roll that up. Push it to the side. Just keep making. So we'll do all this, and then I'll put the sauce over it and the rest of this sauce all over it, and we'll bake it in the barbecue. Oh, have a look at that. Ooh. Wait till that goes on the barbie and we pull it out when all the cheese is all melted. Tops. Righto, let's go stick this on the barbie. Righto, the barbie's at 200. Let's stick it in. Ooh. Come back in 10 or 15. Should be perfect. Righto, while we wait, we'll just fire this thing up and we'll make a iced coffee. Righto, 2 espressos. Beautiful. So the iced coffee, a little bit of cream and milk, and we'll put some ice cubes in. We'll get that shot of coffee, we'll put it in here and blend her up. In goes the first one. In goes the second one.
Because it's not. Oh, is that vanilla?
Oh yeah, iced coffee with a bit of vanilla in it. What do you reckon?
Oh yeah. Does that mean I get some?
Oh, well, this was going to be mine. Do you want some? All of that. Ooh,
oh, yeah. Thank you.
Vanilla. You like yours nice and sweet?
Right. Okay.
I'm sweet enough. Oh, this is going to be good then, isn't it? 2, 4, 6, 8.
Oh, chunky.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, and I didn't spill anything.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Just as you said, it goes on your top.
Cheers. And we'll pull out the... Oh, that is delish. Yeah, you let me know what you reckon. All right, what do you reckon? Did I nail it?
Oh, actually, yeah.
I reckon they're
Well
pretty good.
done.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Right.
All done by Mark. By Trekken.
Trekken leggings. So, right, I'm going to go pull this thing out of the barbecue.
Thanks.
Right, it's time to see how I've done. Sitting at 200 still, just under. Oh, wow. Yoink. How good is that?
Nice.
Let's bring this inside and
Start
I've
eating.
got me a little nip so I can pick it up. Yeah, let's go cut this open. Oh, how bad is that looking in here? Oh, look at that.
That looks really good.
Righto, give us a second. I'll bloody top it with the rest of this because I like a bit of that.
I don't want an avocado on my side.
Alright, avocado on my side. Look at that, beautiful. Alright, let's cut this thing open and see what it looks like inside and dish it out. Breakfast. Let's cut this open. Look at this, crispy. Oh. Righto. Oh. Righto, let's see if we can somehow. Well, it's not very, it's going to be delicate, not very easy to open up. Maybe I should have cut it in half again.
Just put the plate in front of you and start eating.
Oh, I reckon. You get a knife and fork and just get into it.
Yeah, we'll go on each side.
Righto, we can do that.
Yeah, I think so. That might be the easiest.
Oh, it's a bit hard to get open. Here we go. All of this. Oh.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at the layers in there, eh? Oh, that does look delish. Let me get a spoon. You reckon a spoon or a fork? Spoon.
Yeah, maybe a spoon.
Righto, let's make sure I get a bit of everything. Oh, you got a bit of everything on that. This is cheesy. I'm not eating all this. This will be fattening. Holy dooly. Oh yeah.
Maybe sour cream.
No, just like that. Your mouth is watering.
It is.
Nah, because I put the that other cheesy sauce with that other
It compensates.
yeah, it compensates. It is really good. Right. That is delish.
Oh yeah.
Wish that smell-o-vision would come in handy. But, holy dooly.
Thanks to Dan.
Thanks, Dan. Appreciate that. I sort of gourmeted it up a bit, but holy dooly, it is delish. So, there's way too much here, so I might go and share it with some people around because I'm not eating all that for breakfast.
Oh, I am.
Righto. Hey, room. Hope you liked it. Have a good week. Cheers. Bye.
Knife and fork. The true test is
What's
coming
this?
now.
The sauce.
Yeah, that's the nacho
Salsa.
sauce. Yeah. You like your nachos, so.
Wow.
What do you reckon? Pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
You're hard to please, so that's all right.
What?
Do you actually like it?
No.
Because I can tell by your face that
was
you
that-
are just doing it for the video and going, I'm sorry, but not what?
That was like, and it was like, oh, yeah, he does like it. And then it was like,
No.
I can't swallow it. Oh, dude, I don't care. I'll eat yours.
That's okay. We'll make you pancakes. That's
Oh,
okay. Good job.
oh,
mate.
more for me. Have a look. I freaking love this. Want to try some? Oh. No, this is It like almost tastes like nachos and
Burritos.
burritos. Like
Yeah.
this is bloody delish. And they'll eat that. They'll eat nachos. Oh, and it's got all the same ingredients: cheese, bacon. Oh, righto. Hey, Ruth.
Oh my God.